Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching Hero to Superhero series Python machine learning algorithm. Alright guys, let's quickly move on to the next algorithm, which is called the scoring function. So what is scoring function? A classical scoring functions are basically, the models building a linear mapping between the features describing a protein ligand complex and its binding labels and stuff like that in the chemical industry. I'm using the chemical industry as a sample so that you guys can quickly understand. But however, a major subfield of the artificial intelligence is the machine learning, can also be used to build fast supervised learning, the machine learning models using classical scoring function. So it's a pretty straightforward and a very simple, algorithm, guys. Nothing great to. Most of the time you see in the machine learning industry, these kind of assorted functions, algorithms are, randomly used depending upon how quickly you want to build your machine learning model based on a very limited set of data and just throw it on the boundary on either on the cloud or anywhere else or a standalone system. For example, in a chemical factory, you need a standalone system because you don't want to expose your different variants of chemical stuffs on the cloud, right? So these kind of libraries, these kind of algorithms are widely used to build your model based on the system level data and train the data which is available within your system in the lab and quickly deploy some of those. So anyways, I'll just go through the Visual Studio IDE. This is the code for your scoring function. Import numpy as np is the keyword, and it's a pretty straightforward, about 70-80 lines of code. So I'll be the most happiest person to walk you through one-on-one, line by line this code, but you got to reach out to me for any kind of help you need to, write this code or build the algorithm or build the project itself from source. I will be glad to assist you guys. Alright, I will see you soon in the next algorithm. Goodbye.